Hey, what's up guys, this is ABD from 𝐒𝐤𝐤𝐞. In today's video, I will show you guys how to download Capcut for your iPhone in India. As many of you know, Capcut is not available for India. But by this method, you can download Capcut very easily. Don't worry, you don't need to jailbreak your device or you also won't need computer. We will download from AppStore only. So before we go further, subscribe to the channel if you haven't and press the bell icon, so you don't miss any updates from us in the future, and it will also help our channel to grow. Now let me show you in App Store that if I search over here Capcut, I won't get Capcut app. So now let me show you how you can get Capcut in your iPhone. So just tap on ID over here, then tap on your ID or profile, then enter your password or unlock it with Face ID. Then over here go to the country and region, tap on change country, and over here select Australia, and at the top tap on agree. Again over here tap on agree. Here in payment method select none. Keep the billing name as it is, or if you want you can change that also. And now you have to type address. So in street type Sydney, then in postcode type 4800, then again in city type Sydney. In state select New South Wales from here, and in phone enter the number shown as it is, that is 1234567897. Just see all these you have to enter. Once you have entered everything, tap on next and tap on done. Now just go to search and over here type Capcut and search. As I have already downloaded before, it shows like this for me. You will get option over here and Capcut will start downloading for you. Now one more thing I want to show you is that just open your Capcut app and when you try to edit, you will get this option of no internet connection, even though you can see I am on Wi-Fi. So that's the other issue, even though you have Capcut. So for that you need to download any free VPN. I am using Turbo VPN. So just open your VPN app and just tap on connect. Once it's connected, go back to Capcut and now just close this, and if I open it again, you can see all the filter and video effects working perfectly fine. Like this you can use Capcut in your iPhone in India. So that's all about how to install and use all the features of Capcut in India for iPhone users. Let me know in the comment if this method doesn't work for you. I will be happy to help you guys. And also if you want any other app, let me know that too. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. So go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.